This is the third video to show how to schedule mails to all students. In order to be able to do that, you need to make certain changes in settings. For example, here in Windows 11 settings, I have Google Chrome as my mail to protocol handler. So how do you do that? You go to the apps, default apps section, then here you type mail to, and here you can set it to whatever you want. I set it to Google Chrome because Google Chrome is more convenient than Outlook. In Outlook you have to do more clicks than in Google Chrome. But that is not sufficient. You also have to go to to Google and then set Gmail as a default email protocol handler. Okay, this turns out to be a long story. I post a link to the site which explains how to do that. I'm not going to explain it here. Okay, so if all of that has been done, then just click here on the email link. It opens Gmail. In the Gmail, you already have the student address, and then from my open folder where I have all created files, drag and drop, and then there is a nice feature. I can schedule the email. Instead of just pressing send, I press this little triangle, and then there is an option schedule send, and there are some default suggestions. Suppose that I choose this. I want it to be sent on Monday if my test starts at 10. I'm going to spend 10 minutes for explaining. Okay, so one has been scheduled, and similarly I can click the second email address. This will be a second email, then attach the second file, send, and when I say schedule send, my last scheduled time already appears here. So I just press that one. Let's do just as an example the third time. Attach the file, schedule send, last scheduled time. Okay, now let's see if everything has been scheduled as I wanted. I see here 3 emails, okay, and this can be done up to 100 times. This is the limitation set by Google, by Gmail. So I guess you have to repeat it several times in order to, if you have many students, more than 100. Okay.